In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your login and enroll pages for the program. All right, so let's come over here to our program settings and our program details on the right-hand side. You'll notice that we've got two program pages. We've got our enroll page and our membership site. So we can view our enroll page by clicking here, and this is going to take us to our page editor. Another way that we can navigate here is by going to our settings, scrolling down, and clicking on our settings for our enroll page. So let's go ahead and edit our enroll page and choose a template. And I'm going to go ahead and stick with the same template pack that I've been using. And we're going to go with this simple enroll page, I think. We've got two different options and I like this one. So we're just going to go with this one and apply it to our page. And there we go. All right, so now that is our enroll page for our program, and we can go ahead and hit publish. So you can now share the link for this page to allow users to enroll in your program. So that is how you set up your enroll page. Here we've got a checkout section. If we use the other template, let's just go ahead and check that out. Let's come here to our page template and use this one. We'll apply that to the page. This has got a button that's got an opt-in form attached to it. So we're going to preview that, check that out, and there you can see now people can just enroll in this for free. So you can do that if it's a free course and you just want people to be able to enroll. It's a freebie, you're gathering leads, you can do it that way. But you can go ahead and create your opt-in page however you want it to be. Again, it is only limited to your imagination and the capability of the page designer itself, and the limitations there are very small. So you can do whatever you want, set this up however you want, and when you are happy with it, go ahead and hit save. I'm just going to go ahead and change the template back to my paid template here with our little checkout page. All right, let's apply that, and there we go. All right, so I'm going to publish my changes, and my enroll page is set up. So now I can share the link to this page and users can get access to it and they can enroll in the program directly. All right, then we're going to navigate out of here, and now we're going to set up our login page. So once they've got access to the program, they're going to need to be able to log in to access that program. So let's go ahead and set up our login page. We're going to navigate to our settings again, scroll down, and then you'll see our login page is over here. Currently it says login page disabled, but we're just going to go ahead and edit that, add a template like we've done with everything else, select the template pack we've been working with. I'm going to apply that to my page, and off we go. All right, so now this is what the login page is going to look like, and we're going to hit publish. So now this does only apply if you have added a custom domain to your membership site. So if I navigate back here to my settings, I scroll down, the login page is disabled because we haven't created a custom domain for this membership site. But I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. So this is how you can quickly create and edit your enroll page and your login page. And you are going to use this largely when using a custom domain for your membership site. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom domain for your membership site, and I'll see you there.